Hi and welcome to my show. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make these POP plates. You can use them as a coaster or to cover your glasses. Or even as a paperweight. Or simply you can use them as a room decor item. Now let's start. I had this tetra dishes with me which I got from Walmart. I'm going to cover them with cling wraps. You have to make sure that the cling sticks to the dish properly. And like this I will do with all the others. Now I'll make a mixture of plaster of Paris, water, and I've already added little Mod Podge in the water. I'm just mixing the POP very well so that it doesn't have any lumps inside. So I used my hands. And I'll put them in the dishes. This will take about 2 whole days to dry completely, depending on your weather. It might take longer. Now I'm sanding it. Sanding will also take a lot of patience and time. It will be very dirty. It's better you wear a mask while sanding. After cleaning it, I'll put white paint as a base coat. And in one of them I have put black as the base coat. You can also choose different colors. Now I am making outlines with the help of a pencil. Whatever you want to draw or design, you can just make an outline with a pencil. Then I have bordered it with a Sharpie and I started painting with acrylic colors. and now it's done. So I'll give a finish with Mod Podge so that it sticks and seals the color and also gives a shine. So that's it for today. Hope you've liked it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.